Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build a brick elephant. First, gather all your brick pieces, ensuring you have a variety of sizes and colors, especially grays and blacks. We'll start by constructing a strong, stable base for the elephant's body, typically using larger, interlocking bricks. This foundation is crucial, as it needs to support the entire model, which can weigh several ounces, ensuring it stands firmly on any flat surface. Next, we'll focus on building the elephant's main body, aiming for a rounded and robust shape using various curved and sloped bricks. Then, attach 4 sturdy legs to the body, making sure they are evenly spaced and provide excellent stability. Use strong connection points, perhaps employing Technic pins or multiple studs, to prevent the legs from detaching, allowing the elephant to stand securely on its 4 feet. Now let's add the distinctive head and features. Construct the head, carefully placing small, round bricks for eyes and 2 white tusk pieces for realism. Build a flexible trunk using hinged or jointed bricks, allowing it to be posed in various positions, perhaps curled upwards. Finally, design 2 large, expressive ears, typically using flat, wide plates, attaching them securely to the sides of the head. For the final touches, attach a small, flexible tail at the back of the elephant's body, often using a chain or a few small connected pieces. Take a moment to review the entire model, checking for any loose connections or unstable parts, reinforcing them as needed. Finally, pose your brick elephant in a dynamic and engaging stance, perhaps with its trunk raised, ready to display your impressive creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.